Hey guys, welcome back to my video. So as you can tell by the video, this is just going to be me talking about makeup instead of actually using it today. It is October 2nd today, so yeah, I figured I would do my September favorites and let you guys know what I used all of September and like what I loved and stuff like that. So yeah, let me know if you guys want to see a dislikes video and like what I did not like throughout like the month of September, or maybe even for this month, October. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys want to see. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and let me know what else you guys want to see. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get right on into it. I will start with like my two non-makeup related things. I have like a bunch of stuff sitting in front of me. Let's start with the two non-makeup related, I guess. So the first thing is my mirror. My boyfriend got this for me as a gift actually, because I've been wanting it. This is from Amazon and it's one of those mirrors where hey, it's got the LED lights on it. Sorry, it's really dirty. It's got the LED lights on the side, and this you can control the brightness of it. It's also got like a little pocket right here where you can like set stuff down. Like this is my other thing, my tweezers. My boyfriend's mom actually got me these for Christmas. They came in like a little kit. It came with like nail stuff and all that kind of stuff, and she got me a bunch of stuff and then said that these were really good tweezers, and I can agree with her. They are really good tweezers, and they have like the sharp edges so that you can like really get in there and like pluck out the hairs that you don't want there. And that's where I usually lay my tweezers, is right there in our little pocket. But yeah, I don't know how much this was because it was a gift, and I don't know where she got them because it was a gift, obviously. So yeah, I don't really know about these. If I find out, I will let you guys know. I'll put it in my link description box. This was like $15 from Amazon. You can also get them at like Ulta. I know Ulta sells some LED lights, mirrors, and like you can probably find another one on Amazon, or you can go to like any store really that sells mirrors and stuff, in like Walmart or something like that, Target, whatever you have near you. Mine just came from Amazon. So yeah, those are my non-makeup related things. I guess we'll go in order of the face, and I'll let you guys know if I'm wearing it today. That way you know, because I'm sure some of you want to know about the highlight. So I guess we'll start with primer. This is the Pure 4-in-1 Correcting Primer. I'm sure you saw this coming. I am wearing it today. My skin looks and feels amazing. They are cruelty-free, paraben-free, vegan-friendly, gluten-free, and talc-free. So this is like really good for your skin, and it makes your skin look so good. Like look how smooth and like perfect my skin looks. Anyways, enough about me. So yeah, it's by Pure. It's their 4-in-1 Correcting Primer. This is what it looks like. It's got the little dropper thing. It comes out like a little white liquid. The screw on top, and the holographic is really good. This is probably my favorite primer I've ever tried in my life, so safe to say I 100% recommend you buying this. I don't know how much it is. I'll put it all in the description below and let you guys know how much everything was. So the other primer that I have is the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. This is in the clear shade. It comes out like a little white thing like the other one. This was like $6 or $7. I'll link the prices all down below. That way you guys can look and I can just kind of go through it, because I don't want this to take forever. So yes, the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. I am not wearing this today. I do recommend the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. I also really like their Blemish Control Face Primer. I recently ran out of it, so that's why I don't have it in front of me right now. But their Blemish Control, if you have acne prone skin, which I do, and it actually has like really helped control. Like I still got some little like breakouts here and there, but the Poreless Face Primer is bomb. Alright, so next we would go in with foundation. It's the Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation. It's got SPF 15 in it. I am in the shade Ivory right now, just because I'm a little on the paler side, because summer is ending. Tarte, by the way, is also cruelty free, for those of you that did not know. But it is oil free and it lasts 12 hours. So they say. I've never actually tried it for 12 hours. So yeah, this is a really good foundation, and I like the little bamboo thing. But yeah, that's what the inside looks like. This gets used a lot. This is probably my second or third bottle of the foundation that I've used. It's really good for oily skin because it's really mattifying. So if you have oily skin, I definitely recommend this. Dry skin, not so much, because it's really gonna like dry out your face if you have dry skin. I just really love it because I have oily skin and it makes my skin look good. So here's that. Next would be concealer. I'll start with the combination of concealers that I've been loving right now, and then I'll go in with like my all-time favorite. Like, I keep buying it obviously because I like it. So yeah, my favorite combination of concealer right now, I'm also wearing the foundation, by the way, if I didn't say that. I am wearing that combination of concealer right now. It's the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and the e.l.f. like HD concealer or something like that. This is in the shade Light, and the only problem I have with this concealer is the fact that it's not very light. Like, look at this. It's darker than my skin tone. How is that light? But I just mix it with this because it's too light. That is my favorite concealer combination right now. I just put like 3 stripes of this on, and then I put 2 stripes of this in between, and then I just mix them together, and this is what it looks like. I love this combination. I've been wearing it for a while now. So yeah, my other like all-time favorite concealer is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I'm in the shade Fair. As you guys can tell, I'm almost out of this one because I use it so much. It wakes my face up and it makes me look nice and like refreshed, like I get enough sleep at night. Basically, it's just a really good concealer. All 3 of them are good concealers. The only problem I have with the e.l.f. is the shade range. Like, the darkest shade is medium. That is obviously not acceptable. They need to like step that up, and their light shade is too dark for me. So e.l.f.'s got some issues going on with that, but other than that, I love the combination of the 2, and I really love the Age Rewind. Oh, I forgot to mention my 3 brushes at the beginning when I was doing like kind of non-makeup related things. These are like my go-to brushes right here. This is the e.l.f. blending brush. It's got like that flat little paddle thing, but I like to use it to get right up in like the crease right there, and I just kind of like, it gets me right up in that crease, and it is really good. I do recommend this. You can buy this at any Ulta or any makeup store that sells e.l.f. or online at elf.com. I really love their eyeshadow brushes. This one is an Ellen Tracy blush brush. I'm pretty sure this came from like Marshalls or something. It was like a couple dollars, if that. So yeah, this is an Ellen Tracy blush brush. I did use all 3 of these brushes today, by the way. I just like to kind of, I guess, apply my blush with it, and I just kind of like dab it in and stuff like that. So yeah, this is a really good brush. It's really fluffy and soft to the touch. Ellen Tracy, I got it from Marshalls. She probably has a website, I don't know. I just got it from Marshalls for like a couple dollars. And this one came in a Ipsy box before I canceled my subscription. This came in like the last one that I got. It's a Crown brush, like the brand Crown. It's got the little divot in so that way you can like really get into it. Like, it gives you like kind of finger placement. This one's up higher for your thumb, down lower, and it gives you like really good control. I use this to apply my bronzer, and it's because it's really dense and it's thick, but it's also really soft and fluffy. So I really like to get in there and apply my bronzer with it. And another brush, I guess you could say brush, it's my Morphe highlight and contour sponge. I do use this to apply foundation. I use it to apply concealer and like blend that in. Sometimes I use it for like highlight when I want to apply my highlight, or my bronzer just when I want a light one. I love this sponge. Like, it is so good. I also really like the Real Techniques one that's just got the one flat end, but I love this sponge. I do recommend going out to your nearest Ulta or your nearest Morphe store if you live by one, or online at ulta.com or online at Morphe. I do recommend getting this. It's like $7. Really good. So next we can go to powder. Now that we've done concealer and foundation, I am in the looks for a new powder just because I recently found out CoverGirl is not cruelty free. Let me know if any of the other brands that I have are not cruelty-free, because I'm trying to lean more towards cruelty-free brands. But I did recently find out that CoverGirl is not. I do recommend the CoverGirl Clean Professional Loose Powder. I did the shade 110 Translucent Light because I don't like the white powder because I feel like it's too like bam in your face. I like mine with a little bit of color to it. This will probably be like maybe one of the last ones I buy. So like give me your recommendations of cruelty-free brands that have a really good loose setting powder. But yeah, if you're one of those people that just doesn't really care and just uses whatever's good, I do recommend the CoverGirl Clean Professional in the shade 110 Translucent Light if you don't like the white. They do have a white one, so I do recommend that one too, but I like the little bit of color to mine. So yeah, CoverGirl Clean Professional Loose Powder, really good. So next, I guess I would move on to bronzer. I did mention this one in a video of like a full face under 10, I think it was like that. This palette's actually in my thumbnail. It's the one that was frustrating because it doesn't have a mirror in it. Like all this wasted space with no mirror. Anyway, so it comes with a bronzer, a highlighter, and 3 blushes. So I guess I could have included this in like the rest of my stuff, which I mean, go ahead and consider this one of my favorites for highlighters and blushes too. So yeah, I really love the bronzer right here. It's their top selling shades of the Velvet Touch blush with limited edition contour and highlight shades. So it's kind of like a 5-in-1 little thingy. It's like a little pack. I got this on sale, so I don't know how much the original price is, but I will look it up, and like I said, I'll link all that stuff down below. So yeah, I really love this little palette. I am in love with this bronzer. Oh, another non-makeup related thing that I wanted to mention was that Japanese powder thing where you can put your like brushes in it. If you have like a dark color and you want to use a light but you only have the one brush, you can just put this in here and it takes off any excess powder that would transfer onto your skin. That way you can go from a black to a pink if you wanted to. It could like take that off. Anyway, so next I would do, oh, my other blush is the Sweet Retreat blush by e.l.f. You guys know this, it's been on my channel for a very long time, like probably since the beginning. This is one of my favorite blushes ever. It is so good, so pigmented, and it's not like too much in your face. Like I like the peachy pink kind of thing. And another highlighter that I recommend is the Japanese Komodori Ombre Highlighter. It's a limited edition, luxe sized ombre highlighter that radiates from a golden pearl to a bronze pearl. Allow for subtle to intense highlighting. I don't believe subtle one bit. Not at all. I'm wearing this today. Does this look subtle to you? No. So yeah, I recommend this one. Like I said, I'll put it all in there. These are really good, and then you get 20 grams of product. Like, this is a lot, and you get a mirror. Like, who doesn't love a mirror? And it's such a good highlighter. Like, look at that glow. This is a really good highlighter, and I recommend it. Let me put it that way. All right, so now we're doing to brow product. I only have one so far. It's the Anastasia Brow Wiz. I'm in the shade dark brown. I broke the spoolie off of mine, so anyways. So yeah, it's in the shade dark brown, and I love this brow product. Mascara, you guys probably know what I'm gonna say, but the Essence Lash Princess mascara gives you the false lash effect. I'm not wearing this one today. Oh, I meant to tell you what I was wearing today. Oops. I'm wearing this highlighter today, and this palette, the bronzer today, and the blush today. I mixed these two blushes together. So yeah, the Essence Lash Princess mascara. This is like $5 and it's so good, but I'm not wearing this one today. I'm wearing the Benefit Roller Lash today. This is a really good mascara. I'm gonna show you the wand. This is the wand. On that one, it's got the little curve because it curls your lashes. You can obviously tell. I am wearing that Brow Wiz thing today, by the way. I just kind of filled in a little bit. And this is the wand for the Lash Princess. Really good mascaras. Obviously 2 very different price points, but they're really good. I love this mascara, by the way. All right, so let's see. Eyeshadow. The little brown that you see I'm wearing today, I just took that bronzer and put it in my crease just because I wasn't feeling like a very intricate look. I just wanted to give myself a little color. I'm just wearing that brown bronzer shade. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. I am obsessed with this palette. It is my favorite so far. I pretty much use it every day. I tried different looks. I love the shade Dreamer for a highlight. Like, I just want to show you guys. Just even like a little bit. I use the shade Dreamer for a highlight almost all the time. Like, it is like so pretty. I used it on my mom the other day. She asked me to do her makeup. She didn't really ask, I just kind of did, but whatever. It's not the point. I love this as a highlighter. And I use the shade Incense as a bronzer sometimes. Like, it is really good as a bronzer. Oh, you can see right there. Look how good that is. It's a little dark for me, but I can blend it out enough to where it's not like crazy. I love this palette. It has so many things you can use it for. Highlighter, bronzer, eyeshadow. These are really good. It's bomb. So for setting sprays, you probably know what I'm gonna say here too. The MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus spray. Super good setting spray. I'm wearing this today. I'm also wearing the other one that I have, the e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist and Set. And then the e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist and Set spray. Super bomb. I love this spray. Now for the last three things are lips. Today I am wearing a combination. I'm wearing the Japanesque Kumadori lipstick in Tatami. Look at this shade. Look how much you get to. But look at this shade. Look at that. Tell me that's not gorgeous. I'm wearing it today. And you can't tell me it's not pretty. I'm also wearing the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Mannequin. I put this one in the middle of my lips just to kind of give it a little bit of a lighter effect. And this gloss, let me tell you how good this is. This is the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Champagne Mommy. It is so bomb. I hate the brush though. It's like one of those like brushes like that has like a bunch of bristles on it. I hate it. But I love this gloss. I love it. It gives you like a little bit of color. Look at that. Tell me that's not instantly better. I love this gloss. It is like my new favorite gloss. They have so many other shades that I want to try. This is such a good gloss. Champagne Mommy ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip. Super good. I recommend it. I recommend all of the products that I gave you. Obviously because they're my favorites for a reason, but like they are so good. It's really good makeup, like really good. And I recommend it all. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Know what you want to see next, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.